It's finally release day for the Samsung Galaxy S20. I actually picked up this guy earlier this morning and then had to go to work at my full-time job for a full 8 hours. And let me tell you, it is absolutely an exercise in patience when you have a brand new phone sitting right next to you, just waiting to be unboxed for a whole 8 hours. Luckily for you, you won't have to wait nearly that long to see it unboxed, so let's jump straight into it. All right, folks, this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G in cloud blue, as indicated by this blue color, as well as the nice complementary colors that I've got set up here. Around the other side of the box, we've got some branding, Samsung Galaxy S20 5G, as well as just some information about the phone. I've already cut this seal, obviously, so let's take it out and unbox it. I would love to have this cloud blue color in a nice Porsche or something like that. I've actually seen a cloud blue Porsche when I was in the UK, and that thing was amazing. Let's take a look at the phone, because this ain't a Porsche. This is a Samsung phone. And there we have it. That is a beautiful color. I'm really happy that I went with the cloud blue over the gray or the black, but let's just put that to the side for a second, take a look at what else we have in the box. Looks like we've got some documentation, so I'm gonna pull that out. Nothing else in the box there, so we can set that to the side. And then up here, this feels fairly empty. We've got a SIM ejector tool. We've got, what else? Let's see here. Yep, quick start guide, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box. Wow, that's a pretty thick box for that. Anyway, so throw that to the side. Sound by AKG, looks like some headphones in there. A super fast charging brick, looks like USB-C. Very nice. This is what? Let's see here. Probably a 15-watt fast charger. And we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as some headphones that were tuned by AKG. These actually feel really nice. They're braided and USB-C, of course. There's also some ear tips in the box, and that's it. Now for the most satisfying part. Gotta love the peel. All right, so I'm gonna go grab my A51, transfer all my data, and get back to you with my first impressions. All right, my phone's all set up. I've had some time to play with it. Here are my thoughts. First of all, this phone has one of my favorite designs yet. The camera bump on the back is a little bit of an issue when it comes to placing it flat on a desk, but other than that, I have absolutely no complaints. Samsung has dialed the curved edges of the display back quite a bit so that it feels much more flat, and it is much better, in my opinion, than it has been in previous years. The phone feels very solid and premium all the way around, and the back glass with the cloud blue color doesn't fingerprint nearly as much as I thought it would. This phone does have a 120 Hz high refresh rate, and although it is only available in 1080p right now, it is absolutely a compromise I'm willing to make. 1440p and 60 Hz is not nearly as nice as 1080p 120 Hz. The phone already feels super snappy because of the Snapdragon 865 and 12 gigs of RAM, but the 120 Hz just puts it way over the top. There are stereo speakers in the S20, and they are nice and loud, although they don't sound quite as full as the iPhone 11 series phones. On the back side of the phone, we've got 3 cameras, an ultra-wide, a standard, and a 3x telephoto that can shoot 8K video in 24 frames per second. And the fact that we've hit 8K video in smartphones already just blows my mind. I haven't got enough time playing with the cameras yet to give you my full honest thoughts about it, but I will have a full video on the cameras coming up real soon as I can test them more in depth. So as far as first impressions go, I like it. A lot, especially that high refresh rate display. Samsung is killing it when it comes to display tech as usual. Lots more content to come, guys, so hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when those videos drop. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.